Welcome to today's video, where we explore the revolutionary liquid hybrid tint H2O, a cutting-edge product for professional eyebrow tinting that combines advanced technology, premium ingredients, and precision. Let's dive into its features, shades, and performance. Plus, stay here for a demo video on a model. Key features: consistency, liquid, pH level 3 to 4, mildly acidic. Colors: light brown, brown, dark brown, red, black. Processing time: 5 to 15 minutes. Skin intensity: low to intense. Longevity: up to 14 days on skin, 6 to 8 weeks on hair. Brand: OkO. Manufacturing origin: India. Shelf life: 12 months after opening. Volume: 15 ml. The hybrid tint is highly versatile and supports all known dyeing techniques, including layered application 1-5 layers, filling, gradient, multi-layer, and airbrush tinting. Shade details: light brown, a light, neutral color ideal for clients with light hair. Brown, a medium saturated, cold neutral brown. Dark brown, a rich, deep brown that leaves a bold imprint on the skin. Red, bright, warm copper red for clients with chestnut or red hair. Black, intense black, designed for eyelash tinting or enhancing saturation in mixes. Decoding the numbers behind the shades: light brown 8.36. 8. Brightness level light brown. 3. Golden reflex warm tone. 6. Red reflection for a subtle copper hue. Brown 7.62. 7. Brightness level medium brown. 6. Red reflex warm. 2. Purple reflection for a neutralizing effect. Dark brown 5.7. 5. Brightness level dark brown. 7. Red reflex warm. Red 7.54. 7. Brightness level medium brown. 5. Red reflection warm. 4. Copper reflection. Here you can see color shades on different skin tones. The unique formula of liquid hybrid tint and cream oxidant 3% from the H2O series allows for adjusting the saturation of the dyeing result based on the mixing ratio. Proportions can vary from 1 to 1 to 1 to 3. Why the OkO H2O hybrid tint stands out: the pH level 3 to 4 is mildly acidic, which ensures better pigment adhesion for longer lasting results. Aligns with the skin's natural pH barrier, minimizing irritation. Brow lamination compatibility: traditional tints with a high pH 8 to 9 open the hair cuticle more aggressively, risking overpigmentation, making the hair unnaturally dark or overly saturated. The liquid H2O tint, with its acidic pH 3 to 4, seals the cuticle rather than opening it further. Ensures controlled and balanced pigmentation for natural results. Key ingredients and pro tips: while safe for most clients, the formula contains common allergens like PPD and fragrances, so always perform a patch test 24 hours before use to ensure compatibility. Application process: prep, clean the brows with a brow shampoo, then remove residue. Shape: map and define the brow architecture using a paste, powder pencil, or thread. Correction: remove stray hairs with tweezers or wax. Tint: mix H2O tint with oxidant in a plastic, glass container and apply. Rinse off with a damp cotton pad. Finish: use a color remover for any adjustments. Install with OkO Brow Fix Gel. Demo time. Next, you'll see the brown shade in action. The model requested eyebrows with a warm undertone, and we achieved this with the H2O brown tint. Watch as we create a natural, polished look that lasts. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product or topic you'd like to see in the next video. For daily updates and exclusive content, be sure to follow me on Instagram. See you soon.